mysterious death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Kajal, Nikunj, Siddhant are joining us on this broadcast. Priyank is also with us. Nikunj, coming to you first, I believe you have some details of how the CBI investigation is going to happen in Mumbai.
Well, Poonam, the overarching investigations of the CBI that will be conducted have been entrusted to a special investigation team that already exists in the CBI. Now, this special investigation team would need some local support, so the CBI's Mumbai division or the branch would also be roped in. Clearly, this is a case, investigations of which will rest on forensics. So all the aspects related to the forensic investigation, criminal forensic investigation done so far by Mumbai Police and the Enforcement Directorate in the financial aspect of the investigations, be it the financial transactions between various individuals concerned with this unfortunate incident, or the contracts that were given to Mr. Rajput from various production firms, etc., to gauge his financial health and dealings with those companies, would also be forensically audited. Now, when I say forensics, in terms of forensic auditing of the material available, and of course the forensic associated with the dead body and other mortal remains that have been seized by the police under the inquest proceedings of 174 CRPC, all of them would obviously have to face a fresh forensic investigations, and the fresh forensic investigations would have to be conducted by the Central Forensic Science Laboratories of the Central Bureau of Investigation, assisted locally by the Mumbai Police, because that's also part of the directions that have been given by the Supreme Court to the Mumbai Police. Important aspect is that much as the CBI can glean from the commentary of the individuals or the statements that would be recorded, much has to be gleaned from the forensics in this case, and that is a probe that cannot be tampered with. If at all tampered with, CBI has the capacity and the capability, just as it has shown in the past in multiple cases, that that tampering can be found out and taken to its logical conclusion in terms of deriving conclusions for the purposes of investigation. So that is a critical aspect that the CBI will have to now mount, and as our colleagues are reporting, it has started work in that direction.
Right, Nikunj, stay with us. Siddhant's also with us on this broadcast. Siddhant, now we're given to understand that it is going to be a three-pronged approach of the CBI once they land in Mumbai tonight. There are going to be 3 teams of 3 members. Each one team is going to look into the whole forensic angle of it. Another one is going to look at the role of Rhea Chakrabarti and her family. And the third team, we're given to understand, is going to look into the whole Bollywood angle of the entire matter.
Well, that's absolutely right. The 3 teams have been constituted in this entire case. Now, the 3 teams will be working simultaneously. Mumbai is a big city, and since there are several angles in this entire investigation, so the fact is that the one team will work on the forensics of the case. Another team is going to grill Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members regarding the case, and the third team would be looking into the Bollywood angle and the other